drilling up something over there. So this is the part where I cut through. They put the bricks up, y'all. Like, don't be cutting through here, High West. I guess I won't. And the next street is the street where the dog came after me. I won't be cutting down through there no more either, especially on the Hawk. Maybe BB14. I can get through there easily through that gate, but thank you.
Get that.
Oh, I got it last summer. I got it to help me kill time and have fun during this pandemic thing.
I'm glad to see you're doing this. I don't like to see people going down with their skin exposed.
Oh, that's right. I won't ride it all without my gear on.
I saw somebody take a spill on the old Newport Bridge, you know, with
Oh,
the
my goodness.
grid metal. I mean, they
Oh,
were
that's
okay.
the John A. Roebling one?
Well, the Newport Bridge, I think.
Oh,
it is.
before they put the cement.
Yeah.
I had a wreck on there in my car. That was terrible. It was slippery.
And yeah, and they got all skinned up. It didn't hurt them, but man, they were bleeding like.
Oh, yes. I don't want to have to deal with that. I like to keep all my skin on me.
Do you stay cool though when you're moving?
Oh, yes. This is netted. I have a full jacket, but I wear this one when it's hot.
Good.
I don't even feel the heat. I'm just having fun.
Reese and the kids doing okay?
Yeah, she's at work today, but they're at home. Just staying cool.
So she's working and you're playing. Good deal.
We alternate. I do tip work, so I can work whenever.
Teamwork, that's what we call it.
Yes.
Hey, take care, bud.
Okay, good to see you. So yeah, my light's coming loose again, guys. But this is hanging. It's not gonna fall as long as it don't grab onto something. So we're gonna try to make it home now before our lights. We lose our LEDs. I might even rip it, guys, because I tried to turn it on. It didn't come on. Go get our LEDs fixed. So it looks like Lee's is open. I had chicken yesterday, some chicken strips, and it was delicious, y'all. With hot sauce. I'm gonna have to go make me some more for today. He says she's working and you're playing. Oh!